Look at these icons, legendary heroes, fused into a single, unstoppable force right before your eyes. This channel is racking up millions of views using simple AI-powered videos. These hero fusions are crushing it, pulling in 2.9 million views here and 3.8 million there. 2.1 million views, 3.5 million views. It's the ultimate retention hack. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this magic. If you're ready to dominate the algorithm and boost your social media presence, you're in the right spot. Smash like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, head over to ChatGPT and click on More to open the side menu. Navigate to Apps, then select GPTs to access the custom AI store. This is where the magic starts. Search for the Hero Fusion Generator and hit Enter. Once you find it, click to open and tap Start Chat to initialize the system. Inside the interface, click Start the generator. In less than 3 seconds, the AI will provide you with 10 unique Hero Fusion concepts. These are pre-engineered designs ready for production. For this masterclass, we're going with example number 5, a fusion that perfectly balances detail and cinematic power. Now let's move to the production phase. Open the Flow website and click on Create with Flow to enter the workspace. First, we need to optimize our settings. Set the mode to image, lock in the 9:16 aspect ratio for social media, and select ×4. This ensures we get 4 unique variations, giving us the best chance to hit that perfect cinematic look. Switch back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt 1. Paste it into the Flow generation bar and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, the engine delivers 4 stunning variations. Review them carefully, delete the 3 that don't fit, and keep only the strongest image. This becomes the foundation of our fusion. Time for the next layer. Head back to ChatGPT, copy image prompt 2, and repeat the process in Flow. Paste, click Generate, and watch the AI render the next evolution of your hero. Just like before, the engine provides 4 variations for our second prompt. Keep the winner, delete the rest, and now we have our 2 keyframes ready. Now, let's switch the settings to video and select the frames mode. Ensure the aspect ratio is still 9:16 and set it to x1 for a focused generation. Drag your first image into the start frame and your second image into the end frame. This tells the AI exactly where to begin and where the fusion should end. Head back to ChatGPT one last time to grab the motion prompt. Paste it into the Flow bar and hit Generate. After a few seconds of processing, the AI stitches the frames together with fluid motion. And there it is, a professional hero fusion video ready to go viral.